You've seen this guy, right? Today we're again on an urban micro-adventure, going out to check out some islands just off of Helsinki coast, and we're heading that way, somewhere there behind this island. The idea is to get to one of those islands that are further away from the coast, pitch a tent and spend the night there. This is our first stop, Hattusaari. It's very noisy here, lots of birds. Still, we're checking it out and we'll see if we find a nice spot, or then if we move on to another one. Super tiny island. We walked around it in like 5 minutes. We decided to go to the island next door, over there. I have 2 rules for... Do I really have 2 rules? I'm not really sure, but anyways, let's say that I have 2 rules for pitching tent. The first rule is that it has to be incredibly beautiful, like the best spot. And the second rule is it cannot be too close to any other people. So there's already a couple over there. Let's go hunting. We're definitely not pitching anywhere close to the toilet, right?
Should we eat noodles or noodles?
Let's eat noodles. The island is incredibly small and we technically didn't get the best spot on the island, but that's okay because we have the best spot for dinner. Nice reclining rocks here so we can enjoy the wonderful sunset. How about that? Let's make some food. We accidentally brought some marshmallows with us, so let's roast them. Look, isn't pretty? Well, it was perfect. It's not perfect anymore. At least they didn't catch on fire, or not yet. Welcome to our quarters for the night. As you can see, there isn't very much to it. It's very tight, but it's very cozy. Nice. This is the mandatory toothbrushing video. No matter how nicely you pack at home, when you actually go out, reality hits. So you see, I'm trying to put this thing. Oh, that was a lot easier than I thought. We were up until quite late last night. We were off until late start. It's around 9 AM, so it's not too bad. The sea on this side of the island is actually very, very calm. We'll go explore some other islands now on our way back. It's pretty, isn't it? breakfast on this island. We just have to find kind of the easiest spot to get out of.
Noodles or noodles?
Let's go with noodles.
Okay.
Our noodles are still piping hot, so I think it's good time for us to go explore our tiny island while this cools down. This would not be complete if there wasn't a sauna here. And it's even on. That's awesome. It's not even 10 o'clock in the morning and someone has already fired up the sauna. Pretty cool. This is an awesome place. And look, this is a perfect spot for a tent. We should pitch here next time. There's like a dozen grilling spots. This must be a popular place, but there's no one around really. There's one tent over there, there's a few boats, but that's it. Time to move on. We spent the night here. Now we were here, and now we are going to these 4 islands over there. The water in the Baltic Sea is really murky. There is not very much to see. Island number 3 today. Let's go and explore a bit. This island is even smaller than the previous one. Maybe like 20 meters across. There's even a hammock here. And no one around really, just the 2 of us. Just take a look at this beauty.
That's one hell of a good marshmallow.
On our 24-hour island hopping microadventure in East Helsinki, we kayaked about 8 to 9 kilometers, visited 4 islands. All of them were really nice. On all of them there was grilling places, there was nice places to pitch a tent. There were even outhouses with toilet paper. You know, anything and everything that you could ask for. And probably the best thing of all is that even though we're in the city, the islands were practically empty. But now it's time to start heading back home. Yeah, this was amazing fun, and I'm sure we'll be back soon.